Hey, so if you want to grow your business using ClickUp in 2026, this guide will show you step by step how to organize your workflow, boost productivity, and collaborate better with your team. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Log in with your email address and password. Once inside your workspace, you'll see the dashboard, which is your hub for tasks, projects, and team activity. Start by creating spaces for different areas of your business. You might have spaces for marketing, operations, sales, and product development. Organizing work into spaces and folders helps your team stay focused and keeps things structured. Next, create tasks for specific projects and assign them to the right people. Set due dates, priorities, and statuses to track progress clearly. Break projects into smaller tasks with checklists to ensure nothing is missed. Use ClickUp's multiple views like list, board, and calendar. Board view helps visualize workflows, while calendar view manages deadlines. Even timelines show project overlaps and dependencies, avoiding bottlenecks. Automations save hours. Set automated task assignments, status changes, or reminders so your team spends less time on repetitive work and nothing gets overlooked. Track progress using dashboards and reporting. Monitor task completion, workloads, and project timelines. This helps identify areas to optimize for better efficiency and business growth. Integrate ClickUp with tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, or email. Centralizing your workflow reduces app switching and keeps collaboration smooth. Finally, review and adjust regularly. Optimize workflows, remove bottlenecks, and keep improving processes. Continuous improvement ensures your business grows steadily using ClickUp, and that's it. By organizing spaces, assigning tasks, using views, automations, dashboards, and integrations, ClickUp can help you scale efficiently. If this helped, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care. Hey,